Hello, students. I am Dr. Vijeta Taneja, Assistant Professor, School of Journalism and Mass Communication, Institute of Management Studies, Noida. Today, in this lecture, we will be discussing the concept of news values. So, to make this concept clear, first of all, start with the definition of news. The Oxford English Dictionary defines news as the report or account of recent events or occurrences brought or coming to one as new information, new occurrences as a subject of report or talk. According to William Randolph, news is something someone somewhere wants suppressed, all the rest is advertising. News is any information about an event that happens in the society which affects the lives of the people or has the tendency to affect the lives of people directly or indirectly or has immediate value for larger segments of the society. Then, what is the meaning of news values? News values are the characteristics which a news story should contain so as to make it trustworthy. Why news values are important? Because without news values, no news story could be think as a true story in spite the presence of an important news element within it, be it the concept of timeliness, proximity, prominence, or any other news element. Then what is the difference between news values and news elements? News elements can be thought of as essentials which convert an information into a news story, while news values are the characteristics which authenticate a news stories for its readers. Let us start with some of the news values like accuracy. Newspapers should always publish accurate information as the inaccurate, misleading, or distorted information can mislead the readers. There should be a general routine to proofread the newspapers for inaccuracies regarding the names, facts, figures, or related information. The failure in such practices may directly affect the most important attribute of journalism, that is, the credibility of newspapers. As the news stories would not be accurate, then the readers will stop believing in that newspapers, and that will certainly affect the credibility of any newspaper or any other media. Clarity. Clarity and precision are the two most important attributes of a news story. Various factors which may cause the lack of clarity on a particular subject are as follows: nuisance of language, which may contain connotations or denotations; excessive data, which may confuse the reader; difficult vocabulary and jargon, which include the technical terms related to any profession. Remember, a reader must need clarity on any aspect of a news story, so an effort must be made to write the story in such a manner that the reader should not face ambiguity at any point. Other news value is objectivity. So, when objectivity is discussed as a news value, the focus of the reporter should be on number one, avoiding biasness, second, presenting all the aspects of a news story, and third, ignoring the facts or data which lack evidence. Now let's talk about the evidence. As and when the students are informed about the media laws like defamation, contempt of court, Official Secrets Act, Copyright Act, etc., it must be made clear that only defense that may save the reporter from punishment is the truth and evidence. So, in spite of depending upon just one source, an attempt must be made to collect the evidence you mention in your news story. Then, limit of opinion. In contemporary journalistic scenario, it has been a trend to justify the stand of an organization, party, or person by mixing opinion with the news. But an attempt must be made to keep the news story separate from opinion. The mixing of news and opinion may lead to confusion among the users of that information. Last news value is impact. Each and every piece of information publishing or broadcasting through the media may produce an impact on the user. So, an ideal news story must be written keeping in mind the impact of the news story on the reader. How the user will react, what kind of behavioral change it may lead to, what its user may learn from it, and that too, from which perspective, must be the main consideration. So, talking about the sources, I have written about these news elements. Talking about the sources, I have compiled these news values from www.columbia.edu and Handbook of Reporting and Communication Skills by V.S. Gupta. Thank you.